20 years ago, direct mail was the primary marketing vehicle for many businesses, but today it is a often ignored, fantastic opportunity to grow your business in a more predictable and scalable way. The great benefit of direct mail is you can buy a list to target exactly who you want, people who look like your ideal customers already based on their age and their income status, their credit status, whether or not they're homeowners, their religion, their marriage, their kids, their education level. The beauty of this is now we're no longer dependent upon the black box of the big search engines and the big social media companies. Now you control your destiny because you know who you're talking to. Plus, the post office doesn't change very quickly. They're not going to just shut you down one day without any sort of notice. And you can scale easily in volume, whether it's in your region or around the country, because the post office can deliver to 300 million households. There's no one there to disapprove your ad without reason, unlike probably the experiences you've had on social media. So with great design and great copywriting, you can stick out in the mailbox and ensure that the right person will receive your message. Plus, when you combine direct mail with a simultaneous digital campaign, you can look for your ROI to skyrocket. Thanks for watching.